Diallo was about 67%. Si Arana was 92% from the field. Si Balti, 100% hindi nag-increase. So, I mean, we look at those stats, and their efficiency around the basket was just incredible. Almost 95% on the average. So, I think that's the first thing we needed to address. We made some defensive adjustments, matchups namin, yung help side namin. We wanted to protect the paint a little bit more, get more rebounds. Doon kami natalo nung huling laro. Dinominate nila yung loob. Tapos, we got thrown into the defending those bigs. They got open with their threes. Nagtuloy-tuloy na, lalo na nung nag-foul out si Dion. We try to keep close nung time na yun, pero wala kami talagang magawa. Masyado na silang malalaki. We try to play zone, pero wala rin nangyari. So today we try to make the adjustments. Mabuti na lang umubra. Pero I'm sure by Sunday, we need to step up again. Do or die game for both teams. Isa lang sisiguraduhin ko rito. Pagdating ng Sunday, tapos na to. Kulang alam kung sino mananalo. So, yun lang ang prediction ko pagdating ng Sunday, tapos na to.